Hi everyone, welcome to Made on Screen. Today I'm going to explain how a professional designer cut out a photograph. So this is a photograph. I'm going to cut it out from the background. So select pen tool. You can also press P. This P. Okay. Now we do actual size. You can take a hand, press spacebar and right click action size. So now you can move the photo pressing spacebar. So click. You can also give Control Z to undo your action. If you cut out with the high zoom, it will make more finishing. It will look greater than you have to make more zoom when you cut out the skin, nearby skin. This tool is very comfortable. You can also cut out with the laser, but it is greater than that. I give some space for hair, so we have to get it out from like a flying hair. If you avoid hairs, it will make loop the cutting from the starting section. You can find out the round simple, so just loop it. Now press Ctrl 0, then right click, press make selection. 1.2 is default, press OK. Now cut Ctrl X, now Ctrl A, select all, Ctrl A, delete, Ctrl B, paste. So this is it. I have successfully cut out a photograph. So now I have to take hair details. So I'll explain how to take these flying hairs naturally without affecting the picture, so we don't need these backgrounds. But we can't cut out this, we have to some more steps. So I'll explain it in the next video. Thanks for watching.